With baked sausages and potatoes, you can never go wrong. They are incredibly easy to prepare and everybody's favorite thing. Let's make them together. Cut the peeled potatoes into cubes, even irregularly. Put them in a bowl. Season them with salt and oil. Mix, transfer them to a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and bake them in a static oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, prick the sausages, add them to the potatoes baking in the oven, and finish cooking. And there you have it, potatoes with a beautiful crispy crust and juicy and golden sausages. A recipe that comes together with very few ingredients, impossible to resist. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.